Jason.
Terry.
Where are we going?
Eyam.
And why are we going to go to Eyam?
Because it's an interesting place to go.
What we'll see there.
It's a village in the Peak District. So there's all this stuff. There's like ladies wobbling up hills on massively laden bicycles like these guys. Trees and cliffs and stuff. And this little village is a historical village of interest.
Okay.
Because during the Black Death, in whatever year it was, insert year here in the edit.
1665.
16 or 17 something.
Yeah.
This village, the people who lived there had an outbreak of the Black Death, and they decided that they were going to quarantine themselves from the rest of the population around here. So they just stayed at home and didn't go anywhere. They just shut the village off, and everybody, well, not everybody, but most of the village died of it. So we're going to go and have a look, because this will be us with coronavirus soon. So we're going to go and see what it's like, what awaits us after our perishing.
On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all the life. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rain. The first thing I met was a fly with a buzz and the sky with no clouds. The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air was full of sound. I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can remember your name, because there ain't no one for to give you no pain. La 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 la. La 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 la. After 2 days in the desert sun, my skin began to turn red. After 3 days in the desert fun, I was looking at a river.
So, where are we now?
We're in Eyam, watching somebody who's terrible at driving pop very close to our car.
Lähme vaatame siis kirikundust ka. Võtsin väga huvitava asja enda jaoks. Et ma ei tea täpselt, mis see on. Aga äkki keegi teab. Väga ilus keldirist on ka siin. Ja mis on veel huvitavam, on see, et siin on kiriku küljes. On ilmselgelt, ma pärast vaatan, kui jõuan, millal see lisatud on, aga siia on päiksekell lisatud, mida väga tihti ei näe. See kindlasti on 1700 midagi, mitte varem, kui mul isegi hiljem. Üks huvitav hauakivi selles osas, et siin on maetud George Taylor, kes oli Rose'i abikaasa. Suri 56-aastasena, nende tütar Rosemary Taylor, kes suri 4,5 kuusena. Ja John McInnes, kes oli siis Rose'i teine abikaasa, kes suri 60-aastasena. Ja siis lõpuks ka Rose ise, kes oli siis armastatud abikaasa ja ema. Aga et näed, ühes hauas Rose'i 2 abikaasat. Kahjuks niimoodi telefoniga kõrguste vahesid ja perspektiivi ei saa, aga maastik on siin absoluutselt fenomenaalselt äge. Aga väga ilus kivi. tütreme. Ja siia maetud mees, kellele ilmselgelt meeldis kriketi, isegi Haua kivi peal olnud play'd hästi mängitud.
He would have been a cricket chair because the MCC is the Middlesex Cricket Club.
Siin on väga kurb haud. See on haud ühe pere lastele. Et siin on Jamesi ja Elizabeth Wilde'i tütar Clara, kes suri 1-kuusena, Aanot nende poeg, kes suri 15-aastasena, Mary Ellen, kes siis suri 3-aastasena ja Sarah Hannah, kes suri 10-aastasena. Tundub, et see on mingi teema siin, et siin on ka haud, kus on siis perehaud ja siin on mainitud ka 5 imikujas surnud last. Ma ei ole päris sellist asja enne näinud. Siin on, neil kividel lisaks on päris palju selliseid kive olnud, kus on siis selle pere lapsed. Kõik on nagu kokku matud niimoodi, et vanemate nimesid Haua kivi peal ei ole. Aga see küla või alevik siis meie mõistes on iseenesest väga ilus siin. Sadorite hauad ka. Sorry, mul vahepeal tuleb näpp ette, mul on telefonil uus kate ja see kuidagi lehvib tuulega niimoodi, et ma kipun näppu kaamera silma ette panema. Ja lähme vaatame küla ka. Et 1665 kätt võttis siit külast pooled elanikud. Ja sinna majade juures osadel on siis väiksed tahvlikesed ka. Et Hawksworthi perekond ja siin siis pereema Jane oli ainus, kes ellu jäi ja kaotas 25 sugulast ja lähedast, kaasatud siis abikaasa, lapsed, ämmad, äiad, vanemad ja nii edasi. Aga vaata, kui ilus aed siit tuleb. Vaata. Kus pole on Lillemeri. Võtsin siit lillede vahelt liblikate välimääraja, aga lisaks ka väga vahva luuletuse. Olen harjunud ära oma artriidiga ja oma proteesidega, isegi oma prillidega tulema toime, aga oma selget meelt ma ei katse. Lamba röstimisahi. Ja võtame sinna alavi vahel. Ja kui kõrge see küngas seal ees on, seda on, ta on ikka väga kõrge, aga siit paistab nagu, ma vaatan praegu siit telefonikraanilt, et nagu polekski teist. Pisike postkontor. What you doing?
Trying to work out where we are.
Oh, we lost.
No, we're not lost because I know where we are. Just not ideally where we should be.
Continue on Eccles Lane for half a
Do
mile.
you know where to go now?
I do. Up here.
Start of the journey, I was looking at all the life. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rain. The first thing I met was a fly with a buzz and the sky with no clouds. The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air was full of sound. I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can remember your name, 'cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain. La 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 la. After 2 days in the desert sun, my skin began to turn red. After 3 days in the desert fun, I was looking at a riverbed, and the story it told of a river that flowed made me sad to think it was dead. You see, I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name, 'cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain. La 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 la. After 9 days, I let the horse run free, 'cause the desert had turned to sea. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and
see just ütles, et kohe aru saada, et oleme oma kodumaakonnas, et tee kvaliteet on läinud kehvemaks.
the perfect skies above. Under the cities lies a heart made of brown, but the humans will give no love. You see, I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name, 'cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain. La 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 la.
jõudsime, meil on siin mitte turg, aga mingisugune toidufestivali moodi asi. Vaatame, mida pakutakse ja siis vaatame, mis edasi saab. Ilma ilus, rahvast jagub. See käis su kanolesid ära viimas autosse.
Terry Tülimäest. I ate down there. Never normally up I ate, just towards the menu.
Yes, and they have meatballs with nachos as well. siit mina tellisin endale Jaapani siga mingi saia peal ja Jay võttis endale lammast äkki India mingit lammast.
Terry, I don't.
What's you doing here?
I'm waiting for my dinner.
Wow. It's gonna be good.
Better be.